So
the side caps yet?
yeah. Oh
So
no, we have not.
Do you know what are they supposed to be? Just amber or
The caps?
yeah?
Yeah,
Can
they're
you
supposed.
make them?
I think you can get the kit. I think.
No,
I don't know.
I still think you paid a good price. They actually have the short skirt as well.
Yeah, that's true. Alright. So I did not post the last video that we made, but we put new caps on. And we did not get the wires hooked up because we're being lazy as hell. Well, I was being lazy as hell. Like always. So that's what we're doing today.
Well, hopefully, see how far we make it.
Yeah, that's true. Alright. You want the camera or you want me to get the camera?
You can set it wherever.
What?
You can set it wherever.
Alright. Alright, well, I'm gonna open this. Get this cover off real quick. 50 quarts. We're okay now, I lost my damn.
You cook? Okay, you're going. Alright, well, I got my side done. Or my half done. Grill, for those who don't know, 14 bolts on top, 4 pressure clips on the bottom, and just a quick pull. Alrighty, just gonna set this up here. So now the front part is the tail lights, and there's the door.
So we'll just let that bitch hang.
That should be fun.
Yeah, that's all good.
Yeah, pretty much is they kind of give you little instructions and they tell you kind of where to drop the wires in and push them out.
Yes.
Right behind the panel. Once they're there, they actually give you extra wires so that way you can run it through everything. So now the front part begins to run it through the door, into the cab itself, through the firewall, then to the testing room themselves. So
And voila.
okay. What'd you forget? What'd you forget? You forgot something.
The whole kit.
Oh, you forgot the. Oh. Great.
Yeah, so we're doing this basically for nothing as of right now.
Oh, yeah. Cool.
So, do you want to go and get it real quick, or do you want my girl to go drop it off?
You can drop it all. I mean, it don't matter. We're already halfway here.
Let me call her. Yeah, that was dumb.
You sure you don't have it? I thought you
No,
had it.
I dropped it off at her house.
Oh, so she has it.
Yes, it's in the garage.
Oh, great.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna double check. You forget sometimes.
Yeah, it's not in here.
Yeah, I can. Well, I can't see, but.
Hey, so can you drop off that kit that I left in your garage? The box that I left in your garage, remember? The one with the wires and the caps?
Maybe before the time even there.
Huh?
We already got this started over here.
Yes, if you don't mind. And
Just
I'll
need to
just
take this
buy you
part
some
out.
ice cream if you want.
Ice cream's always a good choice. Good choice.
Huh?
Good choice. Good choice. Good choice. Good choice.
Okay. Well, if you can do that, box and I am at Penguins, and I'll send you his address. I'll drop the pin. Or you know where I'm at. You can look at my location.
Cool. These are actually really cool. I was very iffy about him getting those, but. You know,
Alright, it's on its way. So we can just finish taking them.
yeah, pretty much taking everything apart.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, I really did not like these in the picture or anything, but the more I look at them, the more I don't mind them.
Yeah, same here. I mean,
I'd say try to switch
I
them.
honestly thought they were gonna look like too Lowrider-ish.
No, I just feel like the quality didn't look there. I mean, it doesn't look bad, you know?
They actually look like they were like, I don't know.
Well, they came. Yeah,
like
they have an OEM fit. They came really well. That's rest part, huh?
Yeah.
Still with the
So it's not too bad. I like it. Oh, no, I didn't. That's why it didn't come out.
I don't know what's more surprising, how fast he got it off, or the automatic manual windows.
Yeah, it's crazy, huh? The only one in town.
You want
Doesn't
them
work.
automatic? You can make them automatic.
But
You
you
want
can
manual?
have it. You know, you get trapped in the water. Boom.
Same on both sides. Matic on manual. Matic.
Yeah, it used to be automatic, and then I changed it back to manual. And I'm pretty sure no one was ever do that, but I did.
I still like this too. Once you get your vehicle detailed, once I show up, go into this.
What?
That little door thing you have on your the door jamb right here.
Yeah.
This. That's one of my favorite parts of the truck.
It's random.
No, that's awesome. I really have this in your 24s.
That's fucking retarded.
Yeah, it is. I have it.
All right. Got it.
Okay, now we're ready for nothing. But give us a couple more minutes, we'll be ready.
Basically.
Facts.
All right.
Like, I see nowhere for that wire coming out.
So, got this panel on. Oh, you can barely see. Run the wire from here down to the door jamb, and then up behind the firewall.
So, how are we doing the passenger side?
The what?
The passenger side. I'm trying to look for something to get us into this, well, through the firewall. I mean, I was just trying to.
I think.
Because I know through there, we can just use the right under the dash, you know?
I mean.
Yeah, that's all.
That is a good question.
Yeah. Hey, you see that challenge that everyone's talking about?
Huh?
You see the challenge that everyone's talking about?
What challenge?
Balancing an old dipstick on your battery cables?
Oh.
Battery terminals?
Yeah, we should do that.
When we take off that panel, or here in a minute, when we take that panel off, I guess, you know, pull up some carpets and see if there's any little entryway or something we can get into.
Yeah.
You have a headlamp, just see if it works.
I mean, I have the stream light too, if you need that. It's on my sub box.
And the package has arrived.
Got it. All right, we're good.
Time to continue on the journey.
Yes.
Let's get to it. So far we made it through. The first side is almost done. Got it to the front of the wall. Got everything wired. Now, just wire into the turn signals themselves and go over there. Can I use those sticks?
No, well, I'm not an electrician, but I think I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, I know.
Shit. All right, well, I want the truth.
Yeah, I was say you had some truck on. Fuck. So it doesn't work? Oh great, it's not even working.
Oh no, I think you do have to have the truck on.
Oh, wait. There you go. Hey, they work!
Hey!
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah, that's pretty
Yeah!
dope.
That actually doesn't look too bad.
All right.
So, this is kind of how we did it for those, if those want to purchase it. Blue, white, and the purple.
Cool.
Now, put it back together, do the other side, because I don't want to do it.
Damn. All right.
Also, whenever you
I don't think I need that, did I? I don't know. Maybe I did.
Anyways, yeah, door handles also.
Actually, I did need that.
What's that too?
That's for the mount down on the bottom.
I've done it.
I guess new headlights for me.
In the next video, watch for new headlights in the scene, right? Headlight suggestions, y'all comment below.
Oh, I think I got the ones I want. I don't know. What's up, guys? Okay, so we're about to go ahead. I'm about to head to Penguins to go install his new exhaust. Finally got an exhaust or muffler, little catback, I think, for his Ram. So yeah, I'm gonna head over there and I'll see y'all when we get there. All right, we are here.
He's both here.
Pin in the ass.
I got two broken. I was gonna use a hammer to kind of, loosen the other one. That's done. Almost done.
No, and this is it right here.
Yeah, it is the
Nice.
It's a direct bolted muffler replacement.
So it's single in and dual out or what?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's how the truck's set up with the dual tips.
Oh,
Single
that.
in,
Oh,
dual out.
yeah, I'm a
I
dumbass.
think it's a 3-inch up front. It goes back down to
Excuse me.
1.5 inch to match the.
Nice.
So, we got Most Performance. So shout out Most Performance.
Yeah.
Actually, really good. I haven't had another customer service, which is always good.
Yeah.
Dude, I ordered this Monday morning and I got it already. So that's just kind of give you a heads up.
All right. So here you guys started it. You already just
Yeah,
broke the
I
broke.
broke two off.
Oh, okay.
But the problem is I can't get to that third one. Dude, it's just angle fine. I'm telling you.
Hey man, dude, look at this thing.
Oh, it moves with it?
Yeah. That's dope, man.
That's awesome.
Alright, well anyways. Well, I'll just flip it around because you can't see me anyways. Alright, so anyways. Oh look, check out the lights. Boom. Alright. So anyways, we are heading back to my house because we need the correct tools. So we don't have those yet. So let's see if we can get some good light here. Maybe. Hold on. Alright. You can get some light here. Alright, so basically we're heading back to my house to go get the correct tools because we don't have well, we have the correct tools, but we're gonna get some better tools out of my truck to maybe do the job. Hopefully get the job done. Stay tuned. Alright, update. Got that out. Oh, fuck.
It took a lot more tools than
Yeah.
we needed.
A lot of wiggling, a lot of playing around with. Got it. Smashing some fingers. I think he's just being a baby. No, I'm just kidding. Alright. Look at that difference, though. Yeah. Yeah, that's a difference right there.
Shout out to Carven.
Bow!
Carven sponsor me. This is like the third or fourth muffler I've got from you.
Yeah, I've never had
Keep buying
carven.
Carvens too.
Hey, go ahead. I'm a boiler guy. You're a carven guy. It's all good. Got our preferences.
Hopefully the installation is easier than taking it out.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Because that was a pain in the ass.
Yeah, this is
honestly.
definitely interesting. There is
Big pain in the ass.
5 or 6 grommets that have to come out. And we use, it's kind of like a WD-40, like a lubricant. And it went well, except I missed 2 grommets, and as soon as we sprayed them, everything popped right out. It wasn't expected. Smashed my finger to the rear end.
Yeah.
It's all good. Okay.
I mean, you have to smash your fingers every once in a while working on a vehicle, right?
Yeah, something like that, I guess.
That's
Other
what I
than
say.
that, yeah, the fun part really after this is just aligning the tailpipes.
Yep.
Make sure they're straight flush, and then we're good to go. I tried to make a video before while I'm under the truck. Hopefully it gets uploaded. I didn't get a video of it before. If you have heard these Rams, they're very quiet. They sound like they have some kind of deep tone or kind of rumble, but
They don't.
Yeah, they kind of don't. So what I'm doing is the carbon replacement, and I'm leaving the resonators on still, and I'm still leaving the stock tips. Carven offers the 5-inch tips, but they're a little too big for me, so we're gonna go ahead and just leave the resonators on. I really don't plan on messing with that. Also with the muffler. You guys are probably wondering, why don't you just do long tubes? Why don't you just do this? I know you wanted a whippleless supercharger. I do. But in complete all honesty, I do have warranty on the truck still, so everything I'm doing is based off of the warranty issue. Some people, it's not a big deal, avoid it. I already had an issue, and the dealership that I bought it from and took it back to did a wonderful job. So really, I don't want to mess it up, and I do like the warranty. So I did speak to one of the managers there, a couple of salesmen, and they told me that, you know, if I put this on, this won't be able to be covered the warranty, which is fine. I really don't hear mufflers really much. I didn't get the air intake in. It is a multiplier air intake, so that way, also through warranty, it's at least a factory piece. And we'll probably get the picture, or probably get a video of the air intake whenever we get started.
After. We'll go through the whole truck.
Yeah, pretty much.
So basically, yep, that's
Quick update for now.
quick update on this truck, and hopefully after we slap this in, we can actually get the chat. We can get a video of the sound, and yeah, I guess after we slap this in, we'll make a video. All right, guys. Well, here's the moment of truth. Yep, go ahead. What do you think?
I love it.
Check it out. Oh, let me get out. I'll let you. We could go in the back and do it, but we're gonna be in dead. The street.
Huh? I smell that lubricant on there, right?
Oh, you smell it? Yeah. Well, then again, it's breaking in.
Actually, really.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Go back there.
Yeah, I can do this.
You like it?
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
Sounds damn good. I mess with it. I like it.
I like it a lot.
All right, now throw it in first. Traction control off and whip it. No, I'm just kidding. So let's see what it sounds like. Yeah.
Lately, I ain't check my call log. Ask them all, I ain't about to fall off. Kill them all, tell them so long. They try to break me down, but I'm staying walled off. Uh-oh, I'm back again. Hi, they keep on saying this is it.